Hello, my name is Dominique Rivera. I am the Oracle of Apollo, TV show host for Divine Encounters, and you may have seen me on Snapchat original series, Stranded. I bring content from all over the world right into your living rooms, into your hands, creating sacred spaces and aligning you with something that is greater than yourself. And I am calling all of you earth angels to action, those who feel prompted to serve in this expansion of this humanitarian mission. I am attending to raise $5,000 to get to the New Earth Forum in Switzerland, the 17th to 21st of May, 2022. And that's 2 short weeks away. The Earth Trust NFT gallery will be displayed at a top tier impact awards. And the benefit of this is that they are trying to get as many trees planted as possible, as it takes 86,000 trees just to offset our personal carbon footprint. And so what they are doing at the moment, the Humans I Trust Foundation, they are having a retreat around business engineering workshop. And that's going to be focusing on business and vision, strategy, interpersonal relationship building skills, innovative business models. And I have been teaching energy work for about since 2014. And so obtaining these skills will teach me how to become independent, because I have been codependent for about the last 9 years, and I'm healing myself through that at this moment in time. I was fighting after I became a veteran. I was fighting with dysautonomia and posterior orthostatic tachycardia syndrome and fibromyalgia. And that took my independence away from me for a very long time. And that forced me to become introspective and meditate and learn healing techniques. And through that learning within myself, I was then being guided by that which is greater than me and my intuition to different places in the world. Each of these places having soul codes and activations that led me to declaring that I am now able-bodied since my last trip in Europe in 2021 October. And if you guys feel so compelled to pour into me, what I learned about becoming independent and what I learned about becoming balanced with these finances on my healing journey, I am going to then pour back into you all into a masterclass or a little workshop of everything that I learned at this retreat. So you will be helping me by learning that independence, which is also going to allow me to take the next step in my life and move out of my current home that has been my home for many, many years, and take a big risk by going to Texas so that I can get my hands more on doing more content creation and more production for the biggest dream, which is to bring you guys documentaries from sacred places with activations that you can feel at home. And so bringing this creation, it is like an inner calling. I just can't turn it off. Switzerland has been calling for such a long time. And I want to be able to embody that energy of creation that spirit is asking me to take a risk on, and asking for all of your help with it. And if you would like to be of service in this way, you can PayPal me at howwellness@gmail.com, or you can also go to Cash App, which is How Awareness Center. And anything is a step in the right direction. $5, $10. It is a step in the right direction. I know it's a big ask for you guys, especially with the economic downturn these last few years. But what if we could heal this together? What if there's a solution, that there's a reason that you're coming across this video, and maybe the solution isn't exactly what you thought it would be, but something outside of the box. So let's build this together. Let's heal this together. And thank you. May you all continue to thrive and go forward. And remember that divine always has your back. Ciao.